Try a piece here. I'll just watch the pin bones.
Tell the camera what you think too.
Nice.
Analysis? Yeah.
I like
Good.
Right there.
Very soft.
There you go.
That was perfect.
From a guy who doesn't like fish.
I like fish, and it's pretty good. So there you go.
Alex, a logo guy.
Very subtle flavor.
What's up, bums? Today we are making some smoked trout. We're going to be using some beautiful Mediterranean sea salt, amazing brown sugar, and some 100% pure Canadian maple syrup to get this trout nice and flavored. So step one, you got to catch you some trout. That's step number one. Step number two, gut it and gill. Let's get to it. I think this one was right around 12 inches. Nice orange flesh there, so we'll go ahead and fillet this guy out and see what we can make out of it. Once we got the trout is nice and chilled off, what we're gonna do is fillet the trout out, pull the skin off. Look at that, beautiful. And then we're gonna deal with the pin bones. We're either gonna pull the pin bones or shape around them with the knife. We'll kind of cross that bridge when we get there. And we'll probably go with either a maple smoke or an alder smoke. Looks just like a salmon. With these, they're obviously a freshwater fish. So, you know, eating them fresh or anything like that, you're gonna wanna salt them quite heavily. Definitely in this brine, we're gonna go probably 3/4 cup to a cup of salt per 2 cups of sugar. Again, they are a freshwater fish, so they don't really have that real deep sort of, you know, taste that I like in fish anyway. But with the brine, we'll be able to get that out of there. So should be pretty good. So what we're gonna do here is just cut off this little belly portion here and skin these trout. I just kind of stick the knife up at the bones there and just kind of slowly make my way down the fish. And then just kind of come back on the belly, just like that. And what we end up with is 2 really nice fillets just like that that are gonna smoke up just beautifully. So we'll go ahead and pull the skin off of these. And what I always do, poke a little hole there so I can kind of hold it with my finger and then start skinning. And then once you reach that hole, you can stick your finger in the back of that hole and you can pull on that skin real nice and tight. Man, these are gonna smoke up so tasty. Holy cow, I'm excited for this, guys. Should be really tasty. The lake's nice and cold, the trout's nice and firm. Really, really good quality fillets out of these little guys. Boom. All right, guys, so we got our 6 little fillets here, 3 fish. These are actually nice and thin, so what we're gonna be doing is just brining them like this and smoking them as is. And then once the smoking process is done, we'll be able to actually break the fish open where the pin bones are going down the middle. The reason why I don't want to take the pin bones out right now is because I don't want to lose any of the precious meat that I have right here. I want to retain as much of the fish as I possibly can. For this little amount of fish, I don't know that I'm gonna need 2 cups of sugar. So I'm probably gonna do about 1.5 cups of sugar and about 1/2 cup to just over 1/3 cup of salt. I don't wanna oversalt things, especially because, you know, we are using coarse salt here. So as that dissolves in the liquid mixture, you know, it will get quite salty. A little bit less than 1/2 cup, boom. There's 1 cup, and there's 1.5 heaping. Get that sugar in there, you gotta have it. Mix this up, get the salt and the sugar all mixed in together. This sugar just kind of congeals all together. It's hard to mix, so I actually prefer just doing salt and sugar together. Laying down a bed of this on the bottom and getting that down for the fish. So what we'll do is we'll place those in there, and then another little layer of salt and brown sugar. Next 3 fillets on top, just like this. And the rest of your salt and brown sugar brine on top, just like that. This is gonna start to release all that moisture in that fish. This is gonna get nice and liquidy, nice and wet. Pour some maple syrup on top. Don't forget to be generous. So we're just gonna cover this up in some saran wrap. Make sure all that awesome flavor just gets in there. Shake it around a little bit with that maple syrup in there. Oh yeah, there we go. And into the fridge. We'll see you guys in 6 hours. Look at that, eh? That looks phenomenal. I'll throw that right onto the rack like this. As you guys noticed, we did a dry brine, right? And now the brine is all quite wet and liquidy. Some of that's the maple syrup, but a lot of that is actually the oils and the liquid from the fish. So yeah, as you can see too, like the color changed on the fish a little bit. That brown sugar, that maple syrup absorbs into the fish. All right guys, let's go get this on the smoker. All right guys, we are gonna get the smoker going, get it warmed up. We're gonna be using maple biscuits today.
Good system right there.
Yeah, it's pretty good. This will give us about 8 hours of smoke. There's not a puck on the burner yet because the burner takes about 20 minutes to heat up, and once that happens, it'll move a puck over and it'll start to burn. So we'll see some smoke here in about 20 minutes. There we go.
Yeah.
Fish on.
That smells excellent.
Pucks will actually drop into the water here. You don't want ash, so you just want them to smoke. So this actually makes sure that it smokes good. So we got the smoker set for 5 hours. We got the oven on at 170 Fahrenheit. And yeah, we'll check back here in a few hours, let you guys know how it's going, but pretty excited for this. Should be pretty tasty. Oh, wow.
That smells awesome too.
Yeah.
Holy guacamole.
I would say those are pretty done. Awesome. And there's still the pin bones in there. I can see a couple of them poking out along here, so we'll just try and break that off. Get in here, Donald.
Camera guy.
Ooh, dude.
Eh? Pretty good.
That's good. Watch the pin bones.
That's really good, dude. Oh shit.
That's fantastic.
Wow.
So yeah, general consensus, this is pretty tasty. We're gonna smoke everything. We're gonna smoke spring, we're gonna smoke coho, chum, trout. We're gonna try smoking a bunch of different stuff and let you guys know how it is and how it tastes. But this is amazing. I'm definitely in on this. All right, guys. Well, we're probably gonna go ahead and finish this tonight. We got a couple friends over too, and we'll probably play around at Jenga, have some smoked trout, and enjoy the rest of the evening. So thank you very much for staying tuned for the episode. We really do appreciate it. And like and subscribe if you can. It really helps us out on the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next episode.
Boom.
That water's gotta be cold. I think they're just gonna plunk in there.
Quite warm in here. Not bad. Hey, Steve-O. Getting it done.